everybody, I'm Meg.
And I'm Dave.
And this is Quarantinis
with
Meg
and
Dave. We did it this time.
Hey, we
Good
did
job.
it right this time. It's not too bad. All right, awesome.
Today we are doing a Luigi. This is
a Luigi.
a Luigi. We're not Italian. Well, you are Italian.
I'm Northern Italian. That's
Yeah.
why I'm really white.
Okay, that explains a lot.
Yeah.
So a Luigi is a gin-based drink. Today we're going to be using gin. We got out the fancy gin. Dave got us this gin from Belgium.
Belgium.
Dry vermouth, grenadine, orange juice, and we are using Grand Marnier, but any orange flavored liqueur will work, triple sec, whatever. So as always, when we're using our martini glasses, we're going to start by icing our glasses. And then we will ice our shaker. Start with 2 ounces of gin. I'm making a double, so this is 4 ounces of gin. 4 ounces of dried vermouth. I have an ounce, so a ½ ounce each of grenadine. And a dash of Grand Marnier. That should be good. And then this is the juice of about a little more than half of a orange. Fresh squeezed, of course. Now, I know last time we talked, I told you that you typically don't shake gin.
I asked her.
Today we're going to shake gin. The reason it's okay to shake gin today is because we're using grenadine and orange juice. So if the botanicals bruise and get cloudy, you won't notice. You want to shake?
Yeah! Yeah, I want to shake. How do you shake? Just
shake.
Just shake?
Okay, you can't do that anymore.
I try.
All right. So then we're going to go ahead and take our ice out of our glassware and pour. Look at that color. That is a pretty drink.
That's very pretty.
All right, and today we are going to garnish with a little orange wedge with a little sword.
Neat!
Just float that right in there.
Wow. Wait, hold on. I mean, wow. Wow. It smells really good too.
It does smell good.
It smells good.
It's that fresh squeezed orange juice.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
It's really good, but it's strong.
It is strong. You can taste that vermouth in there.
This is a good end to a good day or a bad day.
It's a better
really
end
good,
to a bad day.
Really good, really good. So I've got little to say about it other than it's flippin' fantastic. So
Dave, do you like it?
I love it.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Okay. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, guys. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Happy Quarantini. Meg, do you like it?
Yes, I like it very well.
Wonderful. Bye!
Hi everybody. I want you to know that I forgot the Grand Marnier. And David had a hissy fit about it. And it took 17,000 takes to get it in there. So please don't forget the Grand Marnier when you make this recipe. Thank you. Cut.